Okay, so I'm calculating the coefficients of A in this question so that the solutions of the three equations are inconsistent. So inconsistent means I'll end up getting a solution that is, like 0 equals 5 or something like that. And so we either get a situation where these lines are parallel. These lines are either parallel to each other. Some of them will be parallel to each other, or we get the situation where we have, three planes that are forming this triangular prism type situation. Okay, and so if we're looking at the coefficients here of x and y and z, there's not going to be a situation where I can get them being parallel to each other. So it's going to have to be the triangular prism situation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start eliminating a variable, and I'm going to look at, so I'll call this equation 1, 2, 3, and I want to try and eliminate y, because that looks like the easiest one to do for me. And to eliminate y, we'll look at this one's got a minus y and a plus y here, so if I just add equation 2 to equation 3, I'm going to get ax plus x, the y's will cancel out, plus z, and adding to that is going to give me minus 8z, and adding those two together is going to give me minus 5. Now let's clean that up a little bit. Minus 5, and what I'll do is I'll get x out on its own here, and that's really the same as say a plus 1. Okay, I've just factorised the x out of that, and we're going to call that equation 4. And now with the other one, if I do, I might do equation 1 plus 2 lots of 2. So equation 1 plus 2 lots of equation 2. Equation 1, so x plus 2x is going to give me 3x. That plus that is going to cancel out. 2z plus 2z is going to give me 4z. And 6 plus minus 8 is going to give me minus 2. Now I've taken a shortcut with that by doing two things at once. Okay, but probably worth writing the equations out. Okay, and I'm going to call that equation 5. Now, if I wanted to solve those, if I want to try maybe, well, okay, if I look at these two things, if these were going to be the triangular situation, well then what I would have is I would have, I'd have these the same as that and this the same as that, but these ones over here different. So what could I do? Well, with equation 5, if I multiplied through by, to get a minus 8, if I multiplied it through by minus 2, I would get them the same. So I'm going to do equation 2 times it by minus 2 is, oh, not equation 2, sorry, equation 5 times it by 2, minus 2 is going to give me minus 6x minus 8z equals plus 4. Okay, so now I can make that. If that was the same as that, then this equation would be inconsistent, because when I would, let's call that 6, if I went equation 4 take away 6, I'm going to get 0 equals a number. So that means I need a plus 1 to equal minus 6, and so a has to be equal to minus 7, and that's the solution.